walking
got
the dog. I mean, at
and
the end of
so
the day, yeah, it's an interesting notion also to lock in clients into OpenAI, but that's a bit beyond the point. So you're trying to engineer or make sure you have some sort of memory, aka the context. Sorry, back to you, Joshua.
in the case of OpenAI, it makes your interaction really personal, really customized. But if you're building something for businesses, it's also important to make something that works for your business. If, for example, it's an analyst for like a financial firm, you want to see like the profile of like the risk profile, what are they trying to invest in? Those are all things that can go into memory. And so these agents get really good at addressing your problems uniquely to your lifestyle, to your work. And also, and this is a midterm, like this is a, let's say, a kind of memory that goes in between this long-term memory that's written by LLMs, and also the short-term, which is the chat history that goes away when you finish a session, which is the scratchpad. I call it a scratchpad. People, you can call it whatever you want, which is a small little, like, let's say, bank of notes that the model can write that go away when a session is over. And this is useful when the model is trying to write stuff down to solve your problem. So I tried this solution. I couldn't find anything in that PDF. Let me try the web. So right now you'd see it mostly in the thinking tokens, like in the thinking, the reasoning of the model. This is the model's scratchpad. But if you're working with a non-reasoning model, or if you're trying to, let's say, play around with the reasoning, you can have your own scratchpad where you can have multiple models interact with it. There's like techniques that you can apply. And this works, again, all together. Scratchpad, long-term memories, your knowledge base where the model can get stuff down from, like PDFs and URLs and going to the web to search for things, and then your system instructions and chat history. So you have all these kinds of different sources